I bought a new truck and I'm sad to get rid of the other one, but I just needed something bigger and this is going to solve so many of my issues. I think I can camp in this thing. I just need to get it set up and get everything transferred over and, get it outfitted to work with me. I have been driving a Subaru Baja for the last few years and it's been perfect. I mean, it's a truck, but it's not too big and it's so cute. I'm really sad to get rid of it. Anyway, but I'm just gonna show you. Don't judge me too hard, please. I just kind of got everything just thrown back here. It's really embarrassing. My house doesn't look like this. My other car doesn't look like this. It's just this one has been the one that I've been using to get things done at the property, and I get a new tool and I just throw it in the back. I did not set myself up for success in this truck. So moving over to the other one, we're gonna be a little more organized. We got this rubber tote right here, and that's for things that are super dirty or that leak. So it'll catch that and easy to clean. That's a trash bag. I got all my tools in here and some emergency things over here, and I'm thrilled there's still more room in those. So let's get it moved over. I have car camped before, but I think this is gonna be nicer than the setup I had before in my car. Yes, I don't have as much space wide, but I can sit up. I mean, I'm touching the ceiling, but I can sit up. Like, the headroom is nice. I have a 100% wool blanket and a super thick comforter on top of that. I think I'm gonna be nice and toasty. And it's been a couple crazy months since I outfitted this truck so I can camp in it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but like, my bags have bags and I'm normally not this tired. I really have not slept well in about a month, so I'm gonna try to go out to my property and just relax for a little bit. Hopefully get some sleep, breathe. the refresh. This is all clay. I'm just sinking in it. And my Subaru would make it just fine.
Come on, let's go.
But that thing will not. It is heavier. It is only rear wheel drive. And it has the wrong tires. It has a lot going against it. But yeah. See? As much as I would love to be camping on my property, that's not happening today. Parked. I'm right next to a spring, so I get to listen to that all night. First priority, getting some sleep, and then we can talk about what's been going on. So, looking forward to that. Well, I did finally manage to get some rest, which is really nice. And I stayed pretty warm. Appreciate I still look pretty awful. I might end up having to stay out here a few more days. One for beauty rest and one for sanity. I don't want to get up out of bed, but I also really want coffee. So here we are. That's been fantastic. I might stay here another night. I have this whole place to myself. No one's camping in the winter. Sleeping in the truck actually wasn't too bad. I managed to sleep all night. I got a nap earlier today. It's pretty comfortable. I don't know, I think I could keep doing that. I do have a complaint though, so this one has an inverter built into it. And I don't know if there was something wrong with the inverter or something wrong with my portable stovetop. Anyway, I tried to get coffee this morning and I had to go to town and get some because it was like, ooh, lukewarm. Not what I was wanting. One of my big struggles right now with the property is one, the road. As you saw, it is absolutely awful. And that's going to take a minute to fix to where I can start living out there. Another thing is, I thought I was going to have somebody with me out there, and now it looks like I'm going to be a single woman out in the woods where people know my location. And I don't know how I'm going to put more safety into that situation. So I know I'm going to get through it. It's been a long time since I've had this much stress. It's so peaceful and just exactly what I needed. I needed to just be alone in nature. This has been really good. At the end of the day, it all worked out.